Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I've got an unboxing video on Butterfly Forest. I just got these out of the mailbox. I've opened up the side here to make it easier to get out so you guys can see. So I got the bee pack. Let me just pull this out here. So one of the things I got was the bee pack. There it is. I'm really eager to see this print in real life because it's the only one that I really like out of the new prints. So, and it's the only one I bought. But oh, wow, that is really nice. Hopefully you guys can see this. But there it is. That is really, really pretty. And this is my first bee pack with the bottle pockets on both sides. Let me open this up. And there is the inside lining. It's like an olivey kind of colour. But yeah, I like that. It's a very camouflage look, I guess, but it's all butterflies. And yeah, that is really nice. I really like it. I'm glad I picked that. And then also I got the bee set, and my gift with purchase is a coin purse in Butterfly Forest, which I'm really happy about. I noticed one or two had popped up on the BST, and I was tempted to buy one, but I just wanted to see what gift with purchase I got, and it's the Butterfly Forest. Really nice. Very happy about that. And then I also got the bee set. Like I said, I wasn't sure about the other prints, and I think I want to wait till they show up on the BST, because I didn't want to overbuy, because I have been trying to de-stash. So anyway, so here's the large bee set. There's the back. And this is part of the Onyx collection, so you can have all the black hardware. So here's the medium set piece, which is lovely, and the small. Now I guess I could have got a different bee set, I guess, to go with this bee pack. I could have got one of the Ever bee sets. I quite like the, is it Luminaire or Luminaire? I quite like that one, but I just didn't like the price on it. And I'd watched a video, I can't remember who did the video, but somebody had said that if any of them are going to peel, it would be that one because it's more of a metallic. I don't know for sure if it would peel, but it kind of put me off a bit because it is, I think, 102 Canadian dollars plus tax, so it does work out quite expensive. So again, I think I'd maybe wait and see if some pieces come up on the BST. I do like Sakura at Dusk, but I didn't like it enough to want to spend money on it right now. I wouldn't mind a medium and small set piece in it if they come up on the BST, and I do actually quite like the Bee Sporty in it, but I really don't want to pay full price, so I'm not sure what I'll do about that, whether I'll end up getting one or just waiting and seeing if they go on sale or if they go up on the BST. But I'm not too bothered. It was this one I wanted, and I really love it. This is definitely, I'm definitely a dark colour person, but I really love this. And the bee packed is great. I'm so happy with the bee packed. Can't really get a full picture of it on here, not the right way up anyway, but yeah, this is really nice. So I will do a packing video on these probably this week at some point. So anyway, if you have any questions or if you want to see it packed a certain way, stick it in the comments below, and thanks for watching.